Welcome to 3LOKBABA YouTube channel. My name is MOHITHE TRILOK. I will be your instructor and I am a YouTuber of this channel. Let me give you a basic introduction about my channel. My channel name is 3LOKBABA and it is having a beautiful tagline, knowledge shared is equal to knowledge square. So here we are going to share our knowledge, experience and information to the people, those who are in need. So that is the basic objective behind of this channel. Now I'm having a challenge. I'm going to finish this whole session in just 3 minutes with full of information. I told you in just 3 minutes it means like 180 seconds. So without wasting the time, let's get into the picture. So a couple of days before we have posted on Facebook and Instagram stating that we are going to teach Excel, Word, PowerPoint in just 3 minutes on our YouTube channel. And you get a question in your mind that is it possible to teach Word, Excel, PowerPoint in just 3 minutes? No. We are going to pick the concepts under Excel, Word and PowerPoint and we are going to make a video of 3 minutes. Next, what are the three key applications we have? First one is Word and second one is PowerPoint and last one is Excel. So we are going to concentrate on these three key applications. And next, why I have to learn this MS Office? Right? There is a reason to learn. The first reason is here. Most of the companies use MS Office as a basic application to complete their business. Next, MS Office is having a huge demand in the market due to huge users. Next, employment. If you have key skills in MS Office, like if you know how to prepare the presentation, documentation, data visualization, if you have these key skills in your resume, it can add weight to your resume. So these are the three key reasons why you have to learn MS Office. Next, we are going to learn what are the key concepts under each application. As I told you here, there are three different applications we are going to concentrate. MS Word. Under MS Word, we have a lot of concepts. Under MS Excel, we have a lot of concepts. And MS PowerPoint, we have a lot of concepts. All these concepts we are going to cover in this channel. In every 3 minutes, you're going to learn MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So this is all about this session and this video. And if you have any doubts, you can comment on the below video. If you have any clarification, you can contact us. We have a number also, right? So hope you all have understood. And thank you so much. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Thanks a lot. If you have not subscribed my channel, please go and do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the latest notification of our videos. Thank you. Signing off, 3LOK.